Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. This is part two of me telling you about my VETO Pro Pack Tech XL that I recently purchased secondhand. I just have these other bags out here already on the side just to, give you guys something to look at. Those of you who haven't saw my tool bags, so I just want to do a part two of this one. This video is about this bag here, but before I close, I'll just give you guys a look into these bags. So I won't go into great details. I'll just pass the camera over my bag, and I won't take anything out. But like I said, it's just about this bag right here, the Tech XL, and just to show you what I've done to it. When I did a review on it a couple of days ago, and it was empty, and now I filled it up. Well, mostly, well, not mostly. Everything in it is my specialty tools. I didn't want to load it up with a duplicate of what I have in this bag or what I may have in this bag. Everything is in here because I had a dedicated bag already with just my specialty tools, but it was an open top. So I say, well, let me just keep this bag right here. Make this bag that tool bag, a dedicated tool bag closed in just for my specialty tools. So I'm not going to pull everything out, but I just want to show you guys what's in it. And I apologize for the camera going up and down. Like I said, I'm not used to recording like this. So this is part of my tool bag right here. This is the first side of it. Now, this is my ratcheting cable cutters. This is my Buchanan crimper right here. Right here is my Romex cutter by Klein. These are my staple pullers when I'm doing residential, and I'm getting old staples out of the wood so it won't damage my wires. Right here is my PVC cutter, and right here is my ferrule crimper. This is my mallet hammer right here, because if I have to tap a box on the side, I won't have to damage it. If I'm doing something with a metal box, I don't want to tap it, it's a little crooked or what have you. This is my rubber mallet that I use. This right here, this is my tapper, my tap screwdriver right here if I want to rethread something. And this is my Datacom crimper. I very seldom use this right here. This is my Klein ratcheting crimper. Right here is I kind of want to pull it out because it's in there real tight. That's my wire nut, my lock nut pliers. I very seldom use it because I always use a screwdriver and probably a pair of linesmen or this hammer. I'll have another hammer on the other side that I use to kind of tighten my wire nut, my lock nuts up with. Right here is my angle Romex cutters, wire strippers by Klein, and I have a crimper also by I can't think of the name of the company, OTC, I believe, OTC, and I use just the same thing when I want to crimp inside of making a splice inside of a box or something. The wire's real short. And here, my Cobalt, my snips. I've done a review on every tool that's in here already. I'm just going over it with you guys who haven't seen it already. Here is my specialty strippers right here. It goes up to gauge, I think it's 22 or 28, something like that. And I have another set right here by Greenlee. It goes a little bit, it goes further where the Klein stops, this starts and goes higher. Just to have a pair of scissors, you never know when you're going to need them. Scissors right here, fuse pullers, another pair of crimpers, and this right here for Edison base type light bulbs. If the light bulb was a break inside of the socket, I used to use my needle nose, just stick them in there, open them up and twist it. But I've had this for so long, this works so good. So, I just put this in here, open it up and twist it around and it comes out. This is a crimper also by Greenlee. I very seldom use this, but I keep it with me because I never know when I may have to use it. I used this when I was working inside the plant. And this also, these are cable cutters by Greenlee. So And these are by WeHa. These are wire strippers too. I use these strippers mainly for when I'm trying to get inside of a box and the wire is real short and I can't fit those in because it's straight. I put it in like this and grip it and pull this insulation off. So that's for. On the other side, let me do this. Oh, on this side right here is my tape puller. Fish tape puller right here, and it's by Gardner and Bender. I'll fix that later, but it's by Gardner and Bender. It's a fish tape puller. I think Commercial Electric makes one also, but on this side of the bag, I filled it up with. Let's see. This is my my torque insulated screwdriver set by Draper. Man, open this up. Shoot. By Draper. I did a review on it also, so if you want to see that, you can check it out on my channel. This is my calibration certificate of calibration right here for that. And I also have right here, this is a chart that I made for when I'm torquing my screws, like whatever gauge wires I have. And this is the NEC. And so that's the insulated one. This is the one by Capri. This is a non-insulated one. I have another one also, but this one here, this is a non-insulated one. Hold on a second, y'all. By Capri that I use. Certificate of calibration is right here. And this is a torque screwdriver also. Again, man, I apologize for the camera shaking and moving all around. I'm trying to do the best I can here. Right here, I always keep extra meters with me, test instruments, because that's the most important tool that you have to have as an electrician. You have to have your meters. And so I keep more than one on me, just in case. You never know what happened. Anything could happen, man. You have 6 meters and all 6 don't work. But anyway, things like that happen. So I make sure I have enough meters on me. So I have that's the Klein, and that's the Ampro. This is a multi-bit screwdriver set right here. This is I think this is a SATA. This is a multi-bit thing, like 15 in 1. This is a security bit screwdriver. I don't know which one. I think this security bit may be right here, and this is the Torx. I'm not sure. Hex. Yeah, this is the hex right here. This one is my reamer. I very seldom use this. I do use it, but I don't use it a lot. I oftentimes use my needle nose to ream out, or I use a pair of linesmans sometimes. But I keep this with me because I do use it. But this screwdriver goes to when I'm doing recess lights. Got a little spring in there that you can put down. But I haven't put in recess lights in a long time because a lot of people go on to LED brands that you just drill a hole, just pop them in the ceiling. But I keep the screwdriver because I like this little niche in here, the little hook in here. I never know when I might need it. Okay, and this is the WeHa. I have several of these. This is a number 0 Phillip. Very seldom I use this, but I keep it with me anyway. No, this is the number 1. I'm sorry, number 1. This is the number 0 Phillip right here by WeHa. Then this is I can't think of the name of this. It escapes me right now. But anyway, you push it up and it latches onto the screw. A screw holding screwdriver. That's the name of it. So, and this is my hammer. I don't need a 20-pound hammer for the work I do. I just, I use this is my little hammer I keep with me. And this is a Harbor Freight hammer. This is my Romex color. Not Romex. Greenfield. I'm old school. Call it Greenfield. But armored cable. Then this is by Ideal. This is a color right here. You put it on armored cable. You press down for y'all who don't know, and you wind the wheel right here, and it cuts it. Give it a perfect cut. Okay, let me put this back right here. Also, these are my strippers right here. I keep these with me. I keep this with me all the time. This is a fold-away ruler, and I mainly keep it for when I'm bending conduit, when I'm bending my offsets, I like how it, you can use one of these too, but it kind of, sometimes it don't stand firm. But anyway, I like using this when I'm making offsets with a hand bender. I use this to making a 45 or 30-degree angle bend offset or something like that. So I keep this with me. And this is the bolt cutter right here. What I got is a Cobalt like that. And this one, I don't really use this for cutting wire. I use it for when I'm cutting and rethreading my cutting bolts, 1132s, things like that. I keep this, and it comes in handy. So, and on the side right here, I have this number 2. This is a Robertson screwdriver, and this comes in handy. I think this is number 2, Robertson screwdriver, and that's for a lot of the screws in the panel, receptacles nowadays. Also, let me see, I didn't want to miss anything with you guys. And I think that's about it. And I just want to show you over here, for you guys who haven't seen what I've done to this bag lately. Let me just push this on the side. Sorry about that, guys. Push this on the side. I have since added to this bag this little pouch right here to hold my tester. I bought this a while back. This comes from Klein years ago, and I wasn't using it, and because I had no reason to put my clamp meter in here, because I like to keep my clamp meter closed up inside of a zip bag or another protector pouch. So and I had this lying around, so I said, let me try this, and it fit this Fluke tester perfectly that I have. This is the Fluke I think it's a T6. I can't no, but anyway, I have this, and it fits this perfectly in here. Again, I'm not going to go through this whole bag for us taking things. I'll show you guys. I did do a video on this bag, so you can go check that out. So, and then on this side, this is another bag pouch by Klein, and I just put some wire ties right here, and I keep, well, y'all can see, I keep wire nuts in here. It's kind of hard trying to open it with one hand, but I keep wire nuts in there. And that's about all I got new in here. Y'all, let me see. Okay, and this is my other torque screwdriver. I've showed y'all this too. I did a video on this one also. So, this is my other one. So, and this is the other bag. I've done a video on this. I haven't added or didn't add to or taken anything out of this bag since the last video I've done a couple of months ago. So, and anyway, guys, I just want to do this video, a quick video, let you guys see what I've done to this since I've bought this bag the other day. I've cleaned it up a bit. It was really dusty and dirty. Cleaned it up and made it useful to me. And so, guys, with that being said, I want to thank you for letting me take up most of your time. And I would like for you guys to return, hit that subscribe button to get notifications of all my upcoming videos. I do have more videos on the way. And I hope you like the videos. Leave a comment, and we can talk about it. And because not only do I read your comments, guys, other viewers read your comments too. I love reading your comments because you guys have some good stories out there, and I love talking to you, communicating with intelligent people. And so send them on in, fellas. Send them on in. Let's talk. Help me build the channel. If tell your friends about it, about this channel. If nothing else, you can learn a lot from this channel. If they're up and coming electricians, if nothing else, man, you know what tools to buy. I'm always on the forest tools. I always have cutting edge tools on that's coming out, and some tools from the past that I know you can use. So I'm gonna close this video now. Again, I want to thank you guys, and you guys take care. With that being said, and peace out to all of you. Till next time.